In this video I'm going to show you how to add people to FaceTime call once you already are on FaceTime call. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up FaceTime app, and you can now create new FaceTime, or you can use some from your phone, from your call history. I'll do in that way. I just hit add join to join to my previous FaceTime conversation. And now in order to add other people here, all I have to do is hit on the conversation name right there, and just hit there add plus sign when it says add people. Now I can add there some people from suggested in that way, and also I can, hitting on that plus sign, hit here add plus sign and select some people from my contacts. I can just hit add person's name, then hit add video and select FaceTime, and then hit add mobile. So now in that simple way I can add, by hitting on add people, another person to that conversation. Then I can hit done and wait until other people to join. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and